If your LSA leads suddenly stop coming in and you're just sitting there wondering, did Google just forget about me? This video is for you. I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing, and I work with businesses every day who've been in your exact spot. Here's the truth. It's not a glitch. It's not random. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons why this happens and exactly what you can do to turn it around. What's happening? Most of the time, the drop happens because two simple things. You're missing calls or you're not getting new reviews. Now, I know some of you are thinking my team rarely misses a call or we have a 5-star rating. Still, if Google doesn't see consistent activity, you drop in rankings. No calls, no visibility, no leads. That's how local service ads works. Let's talk about how to turn it around. First, open your service area. If you're only showing in one city, try going statewide. Next, turn on message leads. It's another channel for potential clients to reach you. Don't sleep on it. Bidding strategy. If you've been using max leads, switch to max bid or vice versa. This little change can reset your campaign's visibility. And of course, the budget. If you expand your reach, your budget needs to grow with it. $30,000 a week isn't crazy for statewide coverage. These changes take about 2 to 3 weeks to kick in. So don't panic if nothing shifts overnight. Let me be super clear. If you're missing calls, it doesn't matter what else you do. Google will stop trusting you. That's why we set our clients up with call tracking, SIMUCall, so multiple phones ring at the same time or at once, 24/7 answering services, conversational AI for calls and messages. Whatever it takes, just don't let leads die after hours. And here's a bonus tip. Set up call tracking to figure out who in your team is missing calls and how long it's taking that person or those people to answer them. Seriously, it takes a few hours to set up, or better yet, our team can do it for you. Don't let any call go to waste. Most of your competitors, they're not doing any of this. They're guessing, they're passive. They think LSA is set it and forget it. But the ones getting leads daily, consistently, are the ones staying on top of their setup and their teams. They answer fast, they collect reviews consistently, and they follow up. That's who Google rewards. And it's not hard to become one of them. You just need a system. If you want help putting that system in place, text LSA 619-304-5155, and we'll audit your existing Google Local Service Ads page and help you with a plan on how to take your business to the next level. If you want hands-on help fixing your account or scaling it up, just text us directly. We've got you. If this was helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell. We drop videos like this weekly, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.